Benefits of olive oil for skin whitening. When used as a skin lightener, olive oil has plenty of properties that make it possible for you to have a glowing natural skin.
These features come up with different benefits for the skin. Some, like vitamins and antioxidants, help heal and revitalize skin. You would want lightened skin with unevenly damaged skin. Thus, when you apply it on your skin and face, you will see lighter and brighter skin within days.
How to use olive oil for skin whitening. There are several ways in which you can use olive to better the chances of lightening your skin. They usually include frequent use of the product.
1. You can use it as a makeup remover because it gets rid the makeup gently as it nourishes the skin. Just apply a little oil on a piece of cloth or cotton pad and rub the makeup off gently.
2. Facial wash. When used as facial wash, it helps a lot with blackheads and whiteheads. Just use a small amount of oil by dabbing it with a cotton pad and rub it on your face gently in a circular motion till you feel that you have covered your whole face.
3. To make an olive oil bath, add 5 tablespoons of olive oil to your bath. Make sure to dry off excessive oil after taking an olive oil bath. 4. Use a facial mask made of olive oil. After using your mask, your skin will be more radiant and bright.
Remember, because olive oil is all organic and natural, you can use it as often as you like in your day-to-day life. It increases the possibility for a quicker rejuvenated, nourished and protected brighter skin and ensures your skin stays that way.